Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Are you having problem with your shedding hair, breakage, damaged hair, your edges refuse to go, you don't have the best routine for your hair, you have the best routine for your face but not your hair? Guys, try this protein treatment. It's so good for your hair. Try to use it once every 3 months or once every 6 months. Okay, the measurements here depending on your hair type. If you have loads of hair, probably you increase the amount, but if you have size medium, 1 avocado, 2 avocado is enough. Okay, 3 egg yolk is enough, 2 spoon of mayo. Okay, then extra virgin oil, 3 spoons, 2 spoon of coffee, and then the honey, use 2 spoon, guys. Okay, this is for medium size measurement, but if you have a lot of hair, you can go in with more. Okay, the oil, you can go in with 3 or 4 spoon, guys. This is so good. This will stop your hair breakage. If you do this routine for your hair, trust me, I don't think you're gonna have any problem, unless you have problem with your blood, which I have. Lots of people, they have problem with their bloods. The hair refuse to grow. It grow, then it comes off. You need to go to the doctor so you can have test. This lady, she used to have very bad hair. Now she's happy because she do this routine every 3 months. She comes to the shop, we do the hair. So once you finish, put everything into the blender, blend it very smooth, just like this. Okay, so that it doesn't leave bits on your hair. As you can see, then you apply everywhere. It's so rich and soft. She really enjoyed the way I pamper her this time. Guys, I'm pampering my customer now in the shop. Try to come and have your own. Okay, so once you finish apply everything, you massage very well, because this allow the blood flow and stimulate your hair follicles and the hair cuticles to allow the moisture to absorb inside your hair follicles and the hair cuticles. So this is why you need to massage it very well and leave it to steam for 20 or 1 hour the highest. Okay, I skip that part because I don't want the video to go long. So just put a shower cap, leave it to steam, then after then wash and shampoo. Then you look for the best hair cream and oil, just like mine. I'm selling is available now on my website. If you do this routine with any type of hair cream resonate with your scalp, you will see the benefit. I'm telling you, since the time this lady, she's doing it, her edges, her hair, everywhere, the volume is good, is healthy. As you can see, she's so happy with the hair growth. So contact me now for more details if you need.